Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto OnChain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Bits Airdrop listing. The next big thing in crypto. The Bits Airdrop has become the talk of the crypto world, offering an incredible opportunity for participants to earn free $BITS tokens. With rewards reaching up to $100,000 USDT by September 30th, this event is designed to captivate crypto enthusiasts, gamers, and anyone eager to explore the blockchain space. Divided into several seasons, the Bits Airdrop provides multiple chances to win big by completing tasks, inviting friends, and staying active. With the official $BITS token listing just around the corner, excitement is at an all-time high. Whether you're new to the crypto world or a seasoned investor, the Bits Airdrop is your chance to dive in and maximize your rewards. What is the Bits Airdrop? The Bits Airdrop is a promotional event that distributes free $BITS tokens to participants. It's not just a giveaway. It's an engaging experience that rewards users for their efforts and loyalty. Unlike many other airdrops, the Bits campaign stands out with its structured seasons, unique tasks, and generous referral system. By actively participating, you can earn tokens every day, climb the leaderboard, and secure bigger rewards. It's a dynamic event where your involvement determines how much you can gain. Bits Airdrop schedule. The airdrop is divided into 4 thrilling seasons, each offering unique opportunities to win rewards. Season 1 ends September 30th. This season kicks off the airdrop with a bang. A prize pool of $100,000 USDT will be shared among 50,000 participants who complete tasks and stay active. Season 2 ends October 31st. While details for this season are yet to be revealed, you can expect even more exciting rewards for active participants. Season 3 ends November 30th. This season continues to build momentum, offering fresh opportunities to earn $BITS tokens. Season 4 ends December 24th. The final season concludes with a special listing drop, marking the official listing of the $BITS token on major platforms. Participants in this season will enjoy exclusive rewards and a chance to celebrate the token's debut. The phased approach keeps the airdrop engaging, allowing users to join at any time while still enjoying plenty of rewards. How to participate in the Bits Airdrop. Joining the Bits Airdrop is simple and fun. Follow these steps to get started. Access the platform. Visit the official Bits platform and click the Play button to join the airdrop. Earn tokens. Collect $BITS tokens every 3 hours by engaging with the platform. Invite friends. Use the referral system to invite others. Every referral earns you a percentage of your friends' earnings, increasing your token count. Complete tasks. Tasks vary by season and include activities such as engaging with the platform, sharing content, and participating in challenges. Completing tasks not only earns you tokens but also boosts your rank, making you eligible for larger rewards. Why participate in the Bits Airdrop? The Bits Airdrop isn't just about free tokens, it's about being part of an exciting community and unlocking the full potential of blockchain rewards. Here's why you should join. Generous rewards. With up to $100,000 USDT in Season 1 alone, the rewards are worth the effort. Engaging experience. The airdrop offers tasks, challenges, and competitions, keeping participants entertained and motivated. Referral bonuses. Earn extra tokens by inviting friends and building your network. Exclusive opportunities. The final season coincides with the $BITS token listing, giving participants a chance to be part of a major milestone in the crypto world. No investment required. It's completely free to join, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of experience or financial status. Tips to maximize your rewards. If you want to make the most of the Bits Airdrop, follow these tips. Stay active. Log in regularly to collect tokens every 3 hours. Consistency pays off. Complete all tasks, Each task you complete boosts your rank and increases your earnings. Invite more friends. The referral system offers an easy way to grow your rewards. Share your link widely and encourage others to join. Watch the timer. Keep an eye on the season countdown to ensure you don't miss important deadlines. The countdown to the $BITS listing. The final season of the airdrop, ending on December 24th, coincides with the official listing of the $BITS token. This event is highly anticipated and could be a game changer for participants. Token listings often lead to increased demand and value, meaning your $BITS tokens could become even more valuable over time. Don't miss out. The Bits Airdrop is more than just a promotional event, it's a chance to dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, earn valuable tokens, and join a vibrant community. Whether you're here for the rewards or the experience, this airdrop has something for everyone. The clock is ticking, so don't wait. Join the Bits Airdrop today, complete tasks, invite friends, and prepare for the grand finale, the official $BITS token listing. Your crypto journey starts here.